Sweetwater Collective is bringing a tattoo buzz to Jacksonville for the first time. The shop is holding its soft opening this week and taking signups for appointments and consultations.
The majority of the clients come in from out of town, so we wanted a place that they can stay at a nice bed and breakfast, travel, go to a nice winery, walk downtown. And when we decided to open up the shop, Jacksonville was just the place to be.
Owners Joe Moxley and Johnny Smith had been talking about opening up a tattoo shop for a few years, but just moved into their new building 3 months ago. Smith has been an artist for about 20 years and traveled to tattoo shows across the country. He'll join 2 others as tattoo artists at the shop.
I'm from New Orleans area. I'm from the Deep South, so I was definitely trying to get the New Orleans kind of vibe, Victorian kind of vibe. Between that and my trips to France and stuff, I just tried to pull all that stuff into one place.
One of the things the owners say separates Sweetwater Collective is an upscale feel. In fact, when you walk in the front door, there's an art gallery on your right, and to the left, the main desk of the shop.
I think that's a little bit different. You can literally just come in and take a look at the art. You don't have to book an appointment or anything, but just come down here, see what's going on, and I think that's going to be fun for Jacksonville.
And that will be offered along with tattoos for the first time in this town. Covering your news in Jacksonville, Will Metzold, News 10.